This is the kayak of Hatta.
The feeling really is very good. Ito pala yung mga activities na pwede nyo gawin dito sa
Yung magtutour kami. Tapos kami lang yung taong dalawa.
And you know, people there, they don't want
wala
to
yung mga
pay.
kasama namin.
You're our guest.
When they see guests from other country, they will be excited.
Yeah, I told them, Shuhada, I told them it's business. It's okay, I pay as long as it's local price.
They don't want because
They don't want, yeah.
Because when they see visitors, they will be excited. When you come to my country, never put them for my state. They will too much kind of these people.
Yeah. Everybody invited me to eat with them. It's nice. I like Pakistan.
The weather, everything.
Smooth, right? Sharjah, wow. This is Sharjah. Abu Dhabi, Al Ain, Musanda. And then you are going to make a store in Fujairah, right? Fujairah, Al Quwain, Ras Al Khaimah. So, what?
Hi guys! Andito kami sa dulo ng UAE. Hindi ko alam kung saan to. Mascot.
This is the first part of our Hatta tour.
Yeah.
Okay. We are currently in Mascot, and this is the
Mascot Museum.
Mascot.
Is it?
That's really
First. Ito yung first part ng aming tour. Tour na dalawa lang kaming dalawa.
This is our first time, dalawa lang kami.